How we doing today, folks? It's your boy Yankee Man back with another video. First of all, happy 2023, happy New Year's, everybody. Making this a real quick video. Those of you that follow me and checked out the last video or video with this thing in it, I'm going to try to address some of these questions about it because I'm seeing the same question over and over. So, for the first one, let me pop this out. Yeah, excuse the ashiness. So for the first question, how to open it. You can stick something thin here to separate it. I just use my fingernail and pry it open, like so. And there's the battery. All right. What is that? CR1632 V3. All right. So that addresses how to open it. And you just close it back up. Okay. So real quick, people are asking about pairing it. So what you want to do is hold down the power button, put it in the power pairing mode. Actually, I think I turned it off. Yeah, let's try it again. It's in pairing mode now. You hit scan on your device. Scan. There it is. And you pair it. Let's see if it's paired. 2L36. So if I push the button, it should do something on the screen, right? There it is. And it only does that because I'm not in camera mode, but if I go in camera mode, take a picture. Yeah. I'll throw it in a video. Start recording. Okay. So next, I've seen a lot of questions and comments asking about the lights. So I haven't used this in a while, so I'm pretty sure mine are dead. I'm holding the power button now, and yeah, they're dead. So I don't know. I'm not sure what you guys' devices are doing, but I'm gonna charge this up, and they should light right up. Like I left in a few comments, if you can't get this to come on or this to come on, most likely for this is the battery. Some of these devices sit in warehouses and sit on shelves for a while and the battery just completely die, especially with something as small. And same case with these, or in this case, I would think you had a defective device. And hopefully it's not too late to return and get your money back. But yeah, I'm gonna charge it up for a little bit and I'll turn it on. But as you can see, I'm pushing the power button here. Actually supposed to hold it, but there's no juice. But I'm gonna charge it up just to show you guys, all right? Okay, real quick, guys, I did want y'all to see what it looks like when it's charging. I don't know if y'all can see the light, probably too bright. But as you can see right there, it's red. Same on this side. It's red. So when it's charging, there should be a red light right here and right here. All right. Let's see if it'll turn on while it's charging. Okay, yeah, I didn't think so. So we're gonna let this charge for about 5 minutes, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I let them charge for about 10 minutes, and as y'all saw in the last clip, they were completely dead. All right, so let's see what we got. And you might want to look away, they're pretty bright. Oh, got one. Okay, so the left side needs to charge a little bit longer. Okay, but yeah, mine is working just fine. Like I said, if those things I showed you didn't help, you probably have a defective device. For those don't know, as you tap the button, it gets darker or lighter. So I think it's 1, 2. Yeah, just 2 different settings. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it off. So, all right. I hope this video helped somebody. My goal is to go back and everybody left a comment is to drop the link to this video up under the comment and let me know. Like I said, other than that, your device is defective.